They went to import face-offs the other day.
Where the fuck is that at?
I forget.
Sounds so clean, dude.
It needs to be deeper.
Yeah, it does, just a little bit. Gotta get this. What's up, man? How's it going, buddy? How's it going? This bitch is clean. What'd you say you had on this? Exhaust wise?
Header back.
Header back?
Are you the one that wanted to do a YouTube video?
Yeah,
Oh, shit.
yeah.
I didn't even, I don't know who you are. I don't remember.
I remember you from Apollo, man. Hey, can you turn your key on for me one time so that shit lights up? Bad.
Oh, here, it'll be better when I do this. Mustang somewhere. Over here.
Oh, that shit's crisp. What kind of power you make with this?
Almost 550 with the crank.
God damn. All right,
All the
bud.
leg room in the.
You're going on my YouTube channel, buddy.
Right here.
Just to let you know.
I've already been on there a couple times.
Let's do it.
I'll be back. Have fun.
How much faster that Mustang is than you?
Bye, bye. I'll be back.
How much faster is Ricky's Mustang?
It's not really that bad. I think I'll keep up with it once I get the stage 3 clutch and E47. It'll keep up with it.
Oh yeah.
Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Before he threw it on E, I'd keep up with it on.
God damn.
Yeah. And then after that, he would just kind of walk away from me. Because, you know, coyote motor.
Right.
And 6-speed.
What is this? 5-speed? 4? 5?
5. On 28 pounds of boost. I also found out if you brake boost this thing turns into a whole different monster.
Does it?
Oh, yeah. You brake boosting this thing's insane.
That's when you hold your brake and you go to the boost, right?
Yeah.
Like a boosted launch?
Yeah, basically.
This fucker's loud.
Oh, it's gonna be louder.
What is that up in the left corner?
This is boost gauge.
The boost gauge for the turbo. Tells me how many pounds of boost I'm on. Which is pretty cool. I might hit 28. It works when it wants to. Other times it just doesn't.
Her car's the same way. If you turn hers on, it blinks real fast like the light's dead, but they're both brand new lights.
It's just the fucking act. The right one works. They don't turn off automatically.
God damn. God damn. Is that right back there? God damn.
Shoot a flame.
Hell no.
It's ridiculous.
I think I've seen that on Ricky's story. I think he posted something like that on his story.
Like 3-inch tip maybe. But it's getting a 3-inch all the way down. So like probably a 4-inch tip.
That's what my fucking truck has, dude.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
This is getting. Well, because we went to the 2-step comp, and for some odd reason, when you drive, this car will hit 2-step all the time. It'll do that all day long. Just loud fucking things. You do it during sitting still, and it'll do loud ones, just not as loud. So like, I gotta do some messing around with the 2-step and fuck with the RPMs a little bit. We gotta try and figure out how to get it to do it when it sits still. It'll still do it when it sits still, just not like 50 cows.
Right. Sound like a little 22,
Yeah.
not a big boy gun.
Yeah, it'll sound like a fucking 9mm instead of an AK-47.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude. A little more tuning. I got till August 30th. That's when the next IFO meet is. Hopefully by then she'll have some decent set of rims.